welcome to the HMAR Mobile Tech channel. I've got another video for you. This is a 2019 Toyota Rav 4, and I just finished the oil change, and now I'm going to reset the maintenance required light. So the first thing that you'll do is push the key on, the engine start stop button, and hit it to the second one, and you'll see all the lights turn on in the dash. And then what you'll do is you'll see that message there, maintenance required. I want to take care of that now. And so I'm going to go to back, and then I'm going to go to where it shows the like a little kind of a star and a circle for settings, and then I'm going to go down all the way to vehicle settings, and I'm going to hit OK. Long press on the OK button, and then I'm going to go to scheduled maintenance, and then I'm going to go to reset data, arrow up. So this is what I'm doing right here. I'm doing everything right there on the steering wheel to the left, in case anybody was wondering. And I'm going to hit yes, reset complete. You did a good job. Subscribe, like, and share, and watch some of my other videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.